In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up or lightbox in Wix Studio. This is a fantastic way to engage your site visitors, whether you're offering promotions, gathering email subscriptions, or showcasing important information. Pop-ups and lightboxes can be created quickly and will add a dynamic layer to your website. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Wix Studio. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, it's time to move over to the editing suite. This is where the magic happens, and all the tools you'll need are at your fingertips. Now, look toward the left side of the screen and click on the Add Elements icon. This section is like your toolbox. It gives you all the materials you'll need to build functional, interactive features on your site. In the Add Elements menu, scroll down and find the Layout Tools section. Click on that. Think of layout tools as the scaffolding of your website design. They help you format and structure how different components appear together, which is essential for consistency and professionalism. Next, you'll want to select Lightboxes. Click on it, and you'll see several design templates available to you. These pre-made designs are fantastic starting points. They range from simple and clean to complex and creative, so choose one that best suits the style and purpose of your website. Once you've settled on a design you love, select it. This action will add the lightbox to your page. At this point, you have a blank canvas to work with, and here's where customization kicks in. Make sure you personalize the content, text, images, and any other elements to align with your brand's voice and message. With your lightbox on the canvas, click on it to highlight it. A series of options will appear, and from there, click on the Inspector button that pops up. The inspector is like your control panel, allowing you to make detailed adjustments and customizations. Next, go ahead and click on Background. This is essential because the background setting defines the overall look and feel of your lightbox. Customize the background to match your brand's color palette or theme to provide a seamless visual experience for your visitors. Finally, direct your attention to the Layout option. This setting allows you to adjust the position, size, and alignment of your lightbox. It ensures that your pop-up appears exactly where you want it to on your visitors' screens without overwhelming the overall design of your page. And that's it. You now know how to add and customize a pop-up or lightbox in Wix Studio. It's a simple yet powerful tool to capture your audience's attention and drive action. Thanks for watching and happy designing.